Hello guys, my name is Rafael Fragoso and I'm a software developer. And I would like to talk about modular software or modular design. And I'm sorry in advance for my English. I'm Brazilian. And so let's get to it. What modular means in computing, it's a thing, can be hardware or software, composed by modules. And if you change the modules and if you add them, it won't affect the rest of the system. And that's a really good approach for software development. And I'm gonna try to list all the advantages for developers, companies, and the users. So I'm gonna start talking about the advantages for developers. So you can do distributed development. Uh, on the 21st century, we are all distributed. I'm saying that for myself, I work remotely for an American company, and all the other developers are coming from other states or other countries as well. So if you create modules, if you work with modules, it's really good because each developer can work on a different feature in a different module. And that's good for versioning because you can have different versions of modules and you can put them all together and create your application. Also, modules can have its own dependency management, and that's really good. I like to create like a main module where I can share dependencies to other modules, and that's also a good practice. You can do isolated testing. You can test your modules. You can isolate your tests, and that's good because each module can have its own test environment. And the last, when you do all of the four things, you have less bugs because you don't share logic between them. Like you just put them together, and that's really cool. Now the advantage for companies. So time equals money. So if you have your developers spending less time like fixing bugs, you can save money and invest in other things. Maybe you can invest in your own developers, like to improve their knowledge, or I don't know. Happy team, it's not exactly as a healthy business, but you're getting there. If you have a happy team, they will be glad to help your company to grow, and that's cool. You will have more money to invest, as I said, and you won't have any stress like worrying about code and stuff. And the next one is for the users. The users won't feel anything, but if you have a stable software, they will get less frustrated because they won't find any bugs, and then they will get more satisfied with your application. And that's a start for you. And where can you start? Like, we have all these frameworks and tools where you can start doing modular code, or we'll support more modular code in the future, like Angular 2 is doing right now. But my favorite setup right now is this one. You can have Webpack set up for ES6, like out of the box, and React is really cool to create components and modules. And that was it. Thank you.